Hi guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto here today, just going to show you a new feature on our Astra J Tesla Style system, Tesla vertical screen style system. It's going to be short and sweet today. The only reason being is because we do have a video on the YouTube channel anyway for the THV1974 model. It's now being upgraded. Just one thing that's been upgraded. Obviously it's been upgraded to THV1975 now, and the reason is now it caters for the eco button. So as you can see, all these button panels down here, this is the new feature on the system. Still got your blanking plate if you want to remove that and put your VXR button in there. Still doesn't support the Sports Tourer button. Obviously I don't think you've got any room to put that on there. But you've also got this button here now, which is the eco. Car doesn't have the eco before we've installed it, so it's not even going to do anything today, but as I say, it's there anyway for your purpose. So hope you liked the video. We'll put a link down below where to get the new product from, and if you do want to check the full functionality of the system in more detail in terms of all the menus and stuff, we'll also put the link down to the older video, which will show you how all this works. Still got the same menus, graphics, functionality as the old one, spec, RAM, processor, all that as the other one. So you'll have a link in the description to the old model without the eco button if you want to look at how all this works. But this is the new model now with this eco button in here. Okay, take care guys, bye bye.